Imagine this. You're asleep. Suddenly your toaster pops up, but instead of bread it's wielding a butter knife. Your blender whirs to life, blades spinning menacingly. The coffee maker starts gurgling, plotting world domination. Sounds terrifying, right? This is the stuff of sci-fi movies, not reality. Yet many people fear that artificial intelligence, or AI, is on the verge of just such an uprising. This fear, while understandable, is largely based on misconceptions. We've all seen the movies, read the books. Machines develop consciousness, turn against their creators, and chaos ensues. But is this truly the future AI holds? In this essay, we'll explore the fascinating world of AI, debunk common myths, and discover why you can sleep soundly tonight, even with a toaster in your kitchen. The human mind is wired for storytelling. From ancient myths to modern-day movies, stories have always captivated us. We love a good narrative, especially one that involves danger and the unknown. These elements keep us on the edge of our seats, eager to know what happens next. AI, with its aura of complexity and rapid evolution, has become a prime target for such narratives. The idea of machines surpassing human intelligence is both fascinating and terrifying. We hear whispers of super-intelligent machines capable of outthinking and outmaneuvering their human creators. These stories often paint a picture of a dystopian future. These narratives feed into our deepest fears, the fear of the unknown, the fear of losing control. It's natural to be wary of what we don't fully understand. But fear, as powerful as it is, can also blind us to reality. It can prevent us from seeing the true potential and benefits of AI. The truth is, while AI has made incredible strides, it is far from achieving the kind of sentience and malicious intent portrayed in fiction. AI today is more about enhancing human capabilities than replacing them. This essay aims to shed light on the reality of AI, separating fact from fiction. By understanding what AI truly is, we can better appreciate its role in our lives. We'll explore what AI can actually do, how it's being used today, and why, instead of fearing it, we should embrace its potential to improve our lives. From smart homes to advanced healthcare, AI is making a positive impact. So let's put those fears to rest and journey into the real world of AI, where toasters make toast, not war. Let's discover the true potential of this incredible technology together. Before we can debunk the myths, we need to understand what AI actually is. Simply put, AI is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic human intelligence. This includes tasks like learning from experience, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. However, there's a crucial difference between mimicking intelligence and possessing it. Current AI systems are very good at specific tasks. They can beat us at chess, compose music, even diagnose diseases, but these are all specialized abilities. An AI trained to play chess can't suddenly write a symphony or bake a cake. It doesn't understand what it's doing, nor does it have desires or goals of its own. It's simply following instructions, albeit very complex ones. Now let's tackle some common AI myths head-on. Myth 1: AI will become self-aware and take over the world. This is the big one, fueled by countless sci-fi movies and sensational headlines. While AI can learn and adapt, it does so within the confines of its programming, following the rules set by humans. It doesn't have consciousness, emotions, or ambitions. AI lacks the self-awareness that defines human intelligence. It's a tool, just like a hammer or a telescope, designed to assist us in specific tasks. It's how we use it that matters. The responsibility lies with us to use AI ethically and wisely. Myth 2: AI will steal all our jobs. It's true that AI will automate certain tasks, potentially leading to job displacement in some sectors, especially those involving repetitive tasks. However, history has shown us that technological advancements also create new jobs and industries. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the creation of entirely new fields of work. The key is to adapt and acquire new skills for the changing job market. Lifelong learning and reskilling are essential in this evolving landscape. Myth 3: AI is too complicated for the average person to understand. While the inner workings of AI can be complex, the basic principles are fairly straightforward. AI is essentially about using data to make predictions and decisions. And you don't need to be a computer scientist to use AI-powered tools. Many AI applications are designed to be user-friendly and accessible. We interact with AI every day, from personalized recommendations on streaming services to voice assistants on our phones. These tools are designed to make our lives easier and more convenient. Section 5. Rise of the machines, not so fast. The idea of a machine uprising, while captivating, is highly unlikely. Why? Because AI lacks several key ingredients necessary for such a scenario. First, AI lacks true self-preservation instincts. It doesn't fear death or crave power like humans do. It acts based on its programming, not on any innate desire for survival. Second, AI lacks the social intelligence and manipulative skills necessary to orchestrate a global takeover, building alliances, influencing opinions, exploiting weaknesses. These are all deeply human traits that AI simply doesn't possess. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, AI is created and controlled by humans. We set the goals, we write the code, we decide how AI is developed and used. The future of AI is ultimately in our hands. Section 6. The real threat of AI. Hint: it's not world domination. While a robot apocalypse is unlikely, there are real concerns surrounding AI that we need to address. These concerns are more immediate and tangible than the sci-fi scenarios we often imagine. These concerns are not about machines turning evil, but about the potential for misuse by humans. One major concern is bias. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the AI will inherit those biases. This can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in areas like hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Another significant concern is privacy. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it can collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about surveillance and data security. The potential for misuse of this data is enormous. It's crucial to establish ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure AI is used responsibly and respectfully. This involves collaboration between governments, tech companies, and civil society. Finally, there's the issue of job displacement. As AI and automation technologies advance, many jobs are at risk of being automated. While AI can create new opportunities, it's important to ensure a just transition for workers whose jobs are automated. This means providing support and resources for those affected. This requires investing in education and training programs to equip people with the skills needed for the future workforce. Lifelong learning and adaptability will be key in this new era. Section 7. AI as our partner, not our overlord. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, we should see it for what it truly is: a powerful tool with the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. Imagine AI helping us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. AI could analyze climate patterns to develop more accurate weather predictions and disaster preparedness strategies. It could accelerate medical research, leading to breakthroughs in disease prevention and treatment. It could personalize education, tailoring learning experiences to individual needs and abilities. These are just a few examples of how AI can be a force for good. The key is to approach its development and deployment with a focus on ethics, responsibility, and collaboration. Section 8. Unleashing the power of AI for good. To ensure AI benefits all of humanity, we need to foster a global conversation about its ethical implications. This conversation should involve policymakers, researchers, industry leaders, and the public at large. We need to establish clear guidelines for AI development and use, ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness. We need to invest in research and development of AI safety mechanisms to prevent unintended consequences. And we need to educate the public about AI, dispelling myths, and promoting understanding. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for everyone. A future where AI empowers us to solve complex problems, unlock new possibilities, and build a more sustainable and equitable world. Section 9. The future of AI collaboration and progress. The future of AI is not about machines replacing humans, but about humans and machines working together. It's about augmenting our capabilities, not becoming subservient to them. It's about leveraging technology to create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Imagine a future where AI assists doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses, saving countless lives. A future where AI helps personalize education, empowering students to reach their full potential. A future where AI optimizes energy consumption, reducing our carbon footprint, and combating climate change. This is the future we can create if we approach AI with a sense of responsibility, collaboration, and a commitment to using this powerful tool for the betterment of humanity. Section 10. Embracing the potential of AI. The world of AI is full of possibilities, both exciting and challenging. Instead of succumbing to fear and hype, let's approach it with a sense of curiosity, critical thinking, and a commitment to shaping its development in a way that benefits all of humankind. Let's move beyond the Hollywood narratives of robot uprisings and focus on the real issues at hand: bias, privacy, job displacement. Let's work together to address these challenges and ensure AI is used ethically, responsibly, and for the greater good. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a future we are writing together. One line of code, one ethical decision, one collaborative effort at a time. Section 11. A final toast to our AI future. So the next time you hear a story about AI taking over the world, remember this. AI is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. Let's choose to use it wisely, ethically, and for the betterment of humanity. Let's toast to a future where AI empowers us to solve our greatest challenges and create a brighter future for all. And as for your toaster, well, it's probably just hungry for some bread.